Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Here I make book related videos. So if you are interested in books, then subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the ways to cultivate a daily reading habit. If you want to cultivate a daily reading habit, then there are a number of ways to get you started. Here are my tips. My first tip is set time. You should set aside some time when you will read for at least half an hour every day. If half an hour seems like too much, then you can read for 10 to 15 minutes at different intervals during the day. Treat this time as a scheduled appointment. At this time, you will read no matter what. For example, you can read while sipping your morning tea, or you can read before going to bed. Number 2, always carry a book. You should always carry a book when you step out of your house. I always carry my book or my Kindle in my handbag. I read during the lunch hour at work. If I have to wait for an appointment, I take out my book and read. What a delightful way of passing time. My next tip is make a list. Make a wish list of all those books that you want to read. You can keep this list in your diary, a journal, a notebook, or your Goodreads page. Whenever you get a good book recommendation, write it down in your list. Start with one book from your list and cross out the ones which you gradually read. The next tip is find a quiet place. Find a quiet corner in your house and curl up with a good book for some uninterrupted reading. There should be no television, no computers, and no noisy family members nearby. It is a good idea to create a cozy corner in your house which is free from distractions. The next step is very important if you are serious about reading, and that is reduce screen time. If you want to read more, then cut back on television, internet, and social media. Less television or internet means more reading time. This could create hours of reading time during the week. My next tip is read to your kid. If you have children, then you should read to them every night before going to bed. Reading to your children will ensure that they will become readers when they grow up. Find some great children's books and read to them every night. This will not only encourage a love for reading in your children, but will also develop a reading habit in yourself. It is also a great way to spend some quality time with your children. My next tip is to maintain a log. Similar to a wish list, you can also maintain a book log where you can write down all the books that you have read. You should include in the book log the names and the authors of the books that you have read, the dates when you have started or finished them. You can keep a book log in the Goodreads account, or you can also note down in your journal. My next tip is go to used bookshops. Reading can be a major expense. An alternative could be to buy used books. You can also buy used books through online portals like Amazon or Bookstore. In this way, even if you read more, the expense would not be much. The next tip is have a library day. Getting a library membership will ensure a steady supply of books at affordable price. Also, you will get to read in a quiet place among the fellow book lovers. I'm sure you will definitely enjoy having a library membership. And the next tip is read fun and compelling books. Read the books from the genres that interest you. Once you have cultivated the reading habit, then you can move on to the more difficult stuff. But for now, read the bestsellers. Read authors like Dan Brown, Sidney Sheldon, Nora Roberts, Nicholas Sparks, Jeffrey Archer, etc. They are all great storytellers. My next tip is make it pleasurable. Treat reading as your leisure activity. Drink tea or coffee or your favorite drink while reading. Make yourself comfortable with some cushions and blanket. You can go outdoors to some neighborhood park or some cafe for reading. And the next tip is blog about it. Putting it up on your blog makes you more accountable and more serious about your reading. If you don't have a blog, then create one. I post regular book reviews on my blog. The link to my blog is given in the description box below. Do check out my blog. The next tip is set a high goal. Set yourself a goal and then start reading. But make sure that you enjoy reading, because if you are just running behind the goal, then it will defeat the purpose. You can also start a Goodreads challenge. My Goodreads challenge for this year is to read 60 books. My next tip is have a reading day. Have a reading day on Sundays or any other holiday where you practically read throughout the day. It is super fun. The key here is to switch off all the distractions and devote yourself to reading. And my last tip is get a reading partner or join a book club. Get a reading partner who enjoys reading and buddy read with them. Or you can also join a book club. Book club gatherings are a great place to discuss about books and everything about books and reading. So these were my tips about reading more or developing a reading habit. What are your tips? I would like to hear from you in your comments. And if you like the video, do share this video, like and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Till my next video, bye and take care.